Standard 8 Maths Chapter 14 Factorization. So far we have discussed up to question number 2 of exercise 14.2. Now we will proceed with question number 3. This exercise 14.3 and question number 3. So the first part of this question is we have to do the division. So it is 10x minus 25 that has to be divided by 5. Now we can write this 10x as 2 into 5 into x. Here is minus sign. This is 5 into 5. Okay. So what is common? 5 is common from these. We can take this 5 outside. This is 2 into x left and 1 5. Now we have to divide this expression by 5. Since 5 is common both to numerator and denominator, so it will get cancelled and the result after division is 2x minus 5. Now second part is 10x minus 25 divided by 2x minus 5. It is almost similar to this. So this 10 again can be written as 2 into 5 into x. This is 5 into 5. That has to be divided by 2x minus 5. Now 5 is common. We can take 5 outside. What is left? From here we have taken this 5 outside. We are left with 2x minus 5 and this has to be divided by 2x minus 5. So this 2x minus 5 is common both to numerator and denominator, so it will get cancelled and the answer will be 5. Clear? Now next part is this is 10y into 6y plus 21. This is 5 into 2y plus 7. Now this 10 can be written as 2 into 5 into y and the 6y is 2 into 3 into y. This can be written as 3 into 7. Here. And this is to be divided by 5 into 2y plus 7. Now what is common between these? 3 is common. So we can take 3 outside. It will be 2 into 5 into y into 3. This is what is left. We have taken 3. So inside is left is 2y plus 7. Okay. This numerator we have 2y into y plus 7. So this 5 is cancelled out because it's common and this 2y plus 7 is cancelled out. So what is left in numerator? It is 2 into y into 3. So 2 3 just 6 and here it is y. So answer is 6y. Next part. Fourth part is this is 9 x square y square into this is 3 z minus 24 divided by 27 xy z minus 8. So now we have to, this is 9, it can be written as x into y into y. We can take 3 common. This is 3 into z and this is 3 into 8. Clear? So it has to be divided by 27 xy z minus 8. This is 9 into x into x into y into y. We have taken 3 outside and in bracket it is left z and z minus 8. This is 27 can be written as 2 into 9 and this is x into x and this is z minus y. So this 3 is cancelled, 9 get cancelled, this one of the x is cancelled, y is cancelled and this is z minus 8 is also cancelled. So what is left? We are left with xy. So xy is the answer. Now fifth part of this question. This is 96 ABC. This is 3a minus 12 into 5b minus 13. It is divided by, divisor is 144, a minus 4 and b minus 6, right? B minus 6. Now this is 96, this is a into b into c, this is 3 into a and this 4 is 3 into 4 and this can be written as 5 into b and this is 5 into 6. Clear? This is 144. You can write 12 into 12. This is a minus 4. We have taken 5. No, this is b minus 6. Okay. Now this 96 can be written as 12 into 8 and this is a into b into c. 3 is taken out from and what is left? A minus 4. From this bracket we have taken 5 common. We are left with b minus 6. This is 12 into 12 into a minus 4 into b minus 6. Now what can be cancelled out? This 12 will get cancelled. Clear? 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Okay. Now this a minus 4 is cancelled and this is b minus 6 is also get cancelled. So now what is left in the numerator? This is 2. We are left with this a, this b and this c and that 5. Clear? So 2 5s are 10 and here it is a, b, c. So 10 a, b, c is the answer. I hope this is clear to you all. Now next question.